It's a video chart presentation of Plug Power Inc. Plug Power is a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading under ticker PLUG. The stock had a great run back here to end 2010, come into 2011. Really just been on a downhill slide and kind of fell off a cliff right through here around $4 back last month. Just going to throw it on bottom play watch. Looks like it's trying to hold a base, perhaps make a higher low right through here. Closed up on Friday. You can see up 2%, 182,000 shares traded. See, we're starting to see some turns through here. MACD trending upward, breaking through its downtrend. 12's on top of the 26. A lot of traders will refer to that as a fast line leading the slow line. Important thing is, it doesn't happen unless there's a bullish cross. See, that happened right through this area when it went down, hit a $1.92, bounced all the way back up to 246. We're looking for here is a penetration of that resistance level and holding the higher high. Very similar look to the PPO. ADX is in a pretty nice reversal position. You like to see that negative DI up on top of the positive DI. Look like they're starting to make some kind of turns now. RSIs have a very nice look. All three still pretty close together. 21 now, even challenging breaking through 50. Something that you always want to see is that 21 on the north side of 50. That shows some strength. See, even the accumulation distribution made a slightly higher low through here, and then started trending even faster and harder. So let's look for it to keep making higher lows and develop some sort of upward channel like it's trying to do. See, selling's been primarily dominant with this chart for 9 months, but here recently we're back into the green, showing buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. CCI continues to make an uptrend, trying to hold the upper half right now, trying to break back through 0. This isn't a great look at all to the full still. What you look for in this is a lot of times when the full still either breaks through 80 or touches 80, it'll curl back down. You want to see it curl right back up immediately. If it does do that, you see this black line curl back through the signal line and makes a move through 80. It's a very strong sign of bullishness. In the longer term, we're seeing the tricks, which is of course the lagging indicator, just now making a bullish cross itself. Much like the MACD, you keep an eye out for that trend line to be broke. See if this can start making some higher highs and some higher lows at the same time. Right now it's hitting the watch list. See if this bullish cross is going to play itself out a little bit. Pretty nice look at the RSIs as well. Even the longer terms through here, you can see trending upward. A lot of things going on with the PLUG chart. Looks like it's really trying to find a bottom. As I mentioned, hit the $1.92. Couple different things I'd be looking for here. One, I'd want to see this bottom support at 213 hold. Touched it twice and pulled back up both times. Could go as low as 2 or even $1.91. Right now my eye would be on the 213. See, it closed at 230. That's still keeping you a 10% loss sort of area. So I'd definitely be looking for the 213 to hold. The resistance level I was speaking of is right through there. 249, 250. See, it hit 246. It's obviously establishing itself as a pretty solid resistance area. And that's the spot I'd be looking for it to break through and break out of. You can see it still has an open gap right in through there, which is probably at about 272, which is a nice move from where it is at this point. So I'll be keeping an eye on volume, see if these volume bars can uptick, see if it can take out 250. I think if volume starts picking up a little bit and it can hold this 213, the odds are greatly increased it's going to take out that 250 and try and fill that gap. Down the road, next real resistance doesn't come back into play until up here around $3.60. Clearly that's a long shot away from where it is at this point. Not something I look for tomorrow. We always talk about the small steps it takes to make a move and identify a bottom, and right now for this chart, I want to see it hold that 213 and break through that 250, two critical spots. Those are the type of things I'm going to be looking for in the PLUG chart. As always, this is merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.